Do you ever wonder about the route your plane takes? Or if it could take a faster one? Currently, aircraft are not always permitted to take the shortest route, resulting in longer, more polluting flights.
Single European sky must bring direct routes from A to B, not taking into account the ground borders of the member states, but to have Schengen on the sky. So for the passengers will mean shorter flights, less delays, and of course less emissions.
While the Common Airspace Management Programme has been around for decades, it needs updating to fit the Green Deal climate goals.
For the first time in this regulation will be introduced a climate EU-wide performance target, which means up to 10% reduction of emissions.
MEPs have called for a more open market. European countries should remain free to choose their air traffic service providers, but only after a fair and open tendering process. This will help improve air traffic control, weather and communication services, while keeping costs down.
I hope that now, after so many years, the service providers understood that they need to change themselves, because you cannot stop the progress. Technology is coming, digitalization is coming, the space technology is coming, which means that they need to adapt to this progress.
With the single European sky, Parliament wants EU airspace to become less fragmented and more efficient.